Wagyu ribeye roll, beef and cheddar sandwich with Red Tuxedo. For a roast this big, you can't over-season it, so put lots on there.
There's kosher salt in this rub, which is gonna break down and absorb into the meat to give you nice, even seasoning. We're gonna let it rest for about a half an hour, throw it on the grill. We're gonna cook it indirect at 250 degrees until it hits 128. Now we're gonna start the roux for our Hatch chili cheddar cheese sauce. Shallots. Chilies. Flour. We're adding flour to this to make our roux, which is equal parts fat and flour. That's going to be used as a thickening agent for our sauce. We're going to cook it for a few minutes to get some of that raw flour taste out of the roux. We're gonna add just a little bit of Coleman's mustard. We're gonna bang up the heat and we're gonna bring it to a nice simmer to activate the roux. Cheese. We're gonna add the cheese and turn off the heat, stir it until it's all melted, and then we're gonna add our Hatch chili cheese sauce to a thermos so it stays warm while we finish our beef. Horseradish mayo, which is really challenging to make. It's mayo and horseradish. Put however much horseradish you want based on how hot you want it to be. We're gonna pull the roast at 128 degrees. It's gonna rise up to 135 while it rests for a half an hour. Then when we slice it, we're gonna wanna slice it super thin so we can have that traditional roast beef sandwich feel. We're gonna start out with a toasted bun, horseradish sauce, and then stack it super high with beef. Now for our Hatch chili cheddar sauce. Some raw onion. Top bun gets a little bit of our horsey sauce. Off to the races.